How to make money online as a service provider in 2025. I'm going to share tips and insights, but keep this video session short. Basically, online business world in 2025 is changing. With the advancement in AI tools, such as DeepSeek or ChatGPT, many service providers are finding it difficult to drive potential clients and customers. So what can you do? What you can do is explore Google search box. Look for question-oriented words, or product A versus product B, or reviews for your industry. You can use keywords such as reviews for even for your competitors, and so on. Then you have tools such as Google Keyword Planner tool that will allow you to select keywords that are targeted, as in it's searched by your ideal customers, and you want to make sure that your website answers those questions. When you look at Google search, think of it as people asking questions, and your aim is to answer that question on your website. Meaning, in 2025, even if you're relying on Google ads, or Facebook ads, or Instagram ads, advertising costs are going up. That means you want to be able to drive website traffic, whether it's free traffic from Google, or whether it's paid traffic. The content on a website is absolutely important to grow any type of service. Google guidelines tells us create helpful, reliable, people-first content. That includes original images, original text, original videos, and so on. So focus on creating the content, because content is the key. Then, within your services type website, showcase your expertise through those content, instead of just showcasing your services only. Because when we have the content, that proves positive to our potential customer as to, you know what, your business is in your service, in your niche. Without that content, then you have to convince your clients that you are the expert. Also, asking for reviews, you already know the importance of that, so I won't even cover that. But you can sprinkle them strategically throughout your service-based web pages. But don't just rely on reviews only, because if you worked very hard to win over your potential customer, they became your customer, you went the extra mile by providing a great service, then when you ask for reviews, they will be willing to provide that review, correct? But once they provide that review, then don't just settle with that, but come up with referral strategies. What that means is, it's very easy to offer something of value, asking your valued client who already is happy with your services to refer your services to their business colleagues or to their friends or family even. Makes sense? Like you work hard to win over a client, and the lifetime value of that client obviously is critical for us to understand. But it is much easier, still the best way to get the client through referrals. That's why you want to come up with a strategy for referrals. Now, I can't tell you what system to follow, because that will depend on the type of service you're offering. But I am sure that you can come up with clever ways to provide additional value to your valued clients business colleagues or their friends or their family. Yeah, I made that honest mistake when I started out. I didn't have a referral strategy because my focus of attention was to win a new client. But then later on, when I tested different things, referral is smart. Because if someone refers you, that's the job half done basically, to win either your customer or your client. So 2025 business world is changing on internet. Therefore, you have to have content strategy in place and make sure that content is helpful, reliable, and is original.